Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this video we will go over how to create group Dropboxes in D2L. A group Dropbox will allow you to use D2L groups you have already created to accept submissions from those groups from a single member. If you connect it to the gradebook, it will also provide the same grade to other members of that group. Group Dropboxes will also provide the same feedback to group members. To get started, go to the Dropbox tab in the D2L course navbar. You can create a new Dropbox or use an existing Dropbox. In this demo, we will create a new Dropbox and add some other information, including linking the Dropbox to the gradebook. Next, find and click on the Submission and Completion tab. Find Assignment Type and choose Group. A new drop-down menu will appear. By default, it will have selected the first group category that you made. Clicking on this will allow you to choose other categories if you have any. Click on Save and Close when you are done editing the Dropbox. We will be sent back to the D2L Dropbox tab. And if we scroll down, we can very quickly find our Dropbox. We will notice two things about our Dropbox. First, it has this new symbol here, which denotes that it is a group activity. And second, we also have this grade icon or award icon right here. This just denotes that the Dropbox is also being graded. From here, we can now wait for a student to submit the assignment. Once they do, we can go in and view the assignment. Let's view their submission now. Click on the drop-down arrow to the right and click on View Submissions. We can see that the submissions are broken down into the groups in the category we chose rather than by student. So our demo group had Group 1 and Group 2. Group 2 hasn't submitted anything yet, but we can see that under Group 1 we have a document called loremipsum.pdf and the date and time it was submitted and the student who submitted it. Clicking on the submission title will allow us to view the submission and will show us the normal D2L Dropbox grading screen. However, one major difference is that instead of seeing the student's name, we see instead the name of the group with a drop-down arrow to the right of it. Clicking on this drop-down arrow will give us a list of options, including emailing the group and seeing all group members. Let's grade and provide some feedback on this assignment. Now let's go to the D2L gradebook screen. When we go to the gradebook, we can see that for our Dropbox, Group Dropbox Demo 1, only 2 students have been graded. These must be the group members from the assignment we just graded. You will also notice that although both students are in the same group, only the student that submitted the assignment has the button linking it to the Dropbox. Let's take a look at what these students are seeing. To do that, click on the drop-down arrow to the right of the student's name and click on Preview. We'll do the same for the other student as well. We can see that both of them have the same grade for the group Dropbox, as well as the same overall feedback. However, what about the annotations that we just added? Let's switch to one of these test students. We are currently viewing the student that did not submit to the Dropbox, but is in Group 1. So let's go to Dropbox. And we can see that under completion status, they see also 1 submission, 1 file, and under evaluation status, all they have to do to find our inline feedback or annotations is click on Feedback Unread. They can see the overall feedback, the score, some other information about the submission, including the ID, the title, and so on, and who submitted it. Let's view the inline feedback. Now let's switch to the other student in the group. Go to the Dropbox tab for this other student who did submit the assignment. And again, they have the same information and can also see the annotation. That is it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.